Alright. Today's gonna be a fun one. It's cold outside. And this girl wants to come play. Yes. Yeah, Rottweilers can be destructive. Yes. So puppy proofing is always a must. They decided to take off the supply line going to this off the wall and destroy the hose with it. So we gotta get the water back on over here. We're gonna run it somewhere else. Now this is where they decided to take off with it. Rip it out of the spigot. Well, between the hose, definitely ripped. They replumbed it very good. We're gonna replumb it going back there, and we're not gonna have. I won't have hose running to this little spigot so it doesn't break inside of the wall. Breaking inside of the wall is not fun. Now I'm gonna fill this back in. We're just gonna go on the side of the patio so I don't have to redo it, level it and all that. We're gonna do it a little bit, but not much. All right. The fun part begins. Okay, so we at the section where we put in the spigot on. I did messed up, and I did cross-thread it, and it kept leaking, so I cut it out. Gave a little extra room. You always give yourself extra room when you do these kind of things, just in case. Because you will never be perfect. There might be one tiny leak you miss, or go back through and tighten something. Now, these ball valves are very good, especially with the big levers. If you can't really twist a spigot, these will last a little longer. It doesn't take much effort to open them up. They have more flow. With ball valves, you do want to slowly open them up and slowly close them, because if you just slam them closed, it will cause water hammer, and that can cause issues between it. Just vibrates the water lines very aggressively.